Just got on mainland. We're in Townsville right now. We stopped at Kmart because we need a fan. Like, sleeping in this thing with no fan has been hard. Like, I woke up several times in the middle of the night. I'm like, I can't do this.
Yeah, not in the jungle.
Not in the jungle, yeah. So we had to keep the doors open, but that feels a bit unsafe in the jungle.
As soon as we get out with the snakes and the spiders and stuff, I don't think we're going to be able to sleep with the doors open.
I can't get us both in the same shot without doing frog view because you're so tall. But yeah, we're going to get a fan from Kmart. We drove in the parking lot and we heard this massive crash.
Imagine if I was this high, it'd still be keen.
Stop. Yes.
Yeah, just messed up the van.
Yeah, we just crashed into it because our van is like 2.8 meters tall and these little things are like 2.6 and we didn't even realize. We just crashed into that, but it was fine. The van is okay.
I think I haven't been brave enough to look yet.
We are doing a little Woolworths shop. Tommy's got his Red Bull. I've got my Oatly and also this one, which is really good for on the go. It's just like a ready-made oat latte. So many Christmassy things here because it's almost December, but it does not feel like Christmas just because of the weather. So we're on our way to Mission Beach now, and we were just driving and we saw a sign for Little Crystal Creek and we were like, oh, that looks nice. So we just drove up this mountain and now we're here and it looks amazing. We are literally up in the clouds. It's so cool. In the middle of the jungle. There's even a waterfall. You're going in?
Oh hell yeah, are you?
Probably.
What do you mean? You want a belly flop? Yeah. Is that what you're telling me? Go on then.
It's actually not that cold anymore. It's really nice.
Please lobsters, please don't bite my toes.
Time to get back on the road. We just had a lovely swim in there. It actually was really cold at first, but then you got used to it and it was really nice. Just felt like the ocean in Sweden in like the spring.
It super fresh. Like, yeah. Fresh water here and we're towards the top of the rock. So it probably means you can drink it. Really, and there was some freshwater lobster down there too, which was sick.
But we gotta...
I didn't want it nipping at my toes.
No, we gotta get on the road again now. So yeah, we've got about 2 hours left until we're in Mission Beach. And it's around 3 o'clock now, I think. Let's check. Oh no, oh my god, it's 6 o'clock. Wait, sun's going down soon.
Okay, we need to go.
Coffee time. Good morning everyone, it is around 8:30. We are in Mission Beach. Finally, we arrived last night at like 8:30ish, so it was pretty late. We just stopped on the road and we had our food boxes because there were nowhere open. We had driven past all the Subways and McDonald's. So luckily we had made food boxes the night before. But yeah, now I'm making coffee and there's this bird that like lives in Mission Beach and it's like the 3rd biggest bird in the world or something. They are quite aggressive, but they can be up to 2 meters tall. and it's just like a must when you're here. So we're gonna try and find them, and they're called cassowaries. I'm a little bit scared because they have been known to attack humans, but we will try and keep our distance. So I think that's the mission for today. Our campsite is literally on the beach. We're at Caravan Park campsite or something. Yeah, we set the fan up last night and oh my god, it was amazing. The first night I could sleep like comfortably without sweating. It was lovely. Look at the mountains over there and the ocean, and this is a little kitchen. We got our iced coffee on the beach. It's so nice. It's like the jungle meets the ocean.
That sounds pretty good. Yeah, we'll book onto that one, please.
We just booked our whitewater rafting in Tully that we're going to do on Wednesday. It's Monday today.
Tully, man.
Tully. So that'll be fun. And now we're just making some breakfast, and I just sliced up this mango that we picked from Magnetic Island. So I'm going to try it now. Do you want to try some of our home-picked mango?
I'll try some. Well, that's a strong one.
Oh, it's good. Thank you.
I think it still tastes good.
We're gonna look for some cassowaries. Apparently it's common to see them here. And there's a creek down there, so after that's done we might go for a swim over there. Deep in the jungle. Do you think there's crocodiles?
Could be.
Oh, there's fishies. Wow. Bad, Tommy. No cassowaries yet, but we've seen some what we think is cassowary poo.
We've heard some big stuff, but I reckon most of the big stuff sees us, and then we don't end up seeing it. The only things that have got me so far are flies. If you're gonna come out here, Bushman's.
Yes. Look at the shadow of this amazing leaf.
You mean bread butterfly?
Yes, of course.
He's got a horn.
Yeah, he's definitely checking you out. Don't hit on my girl, man.
We found a cassowary, literally just here in the river. We're standing here and it's literally up here.
It's got to be at least your height, I think.
So far, he's not been aggressive.
He's got his beak open.
That was insane. Bye. Tommy wanted to try and get closer, but he kept like opening his beak, which is probably a sign of like, hey, don't come any closer, mate. So apparently there's only 4,000 of them left in the world, so they're not very common to see, and it was really cool that we saw one right here by the lake, or the creek, the prettiest place.
That was like best part of the walk. We were just about to finish the walk and come back to the road, and he was just there, just crossing the river.
So we walked
We were
3 kilometers down that way, and we were really like nervous listening for the bird, but then we realized we have to walk 3 kilometers back, and this whole way we were just making lots of noise and not really looking out, and then Tommy just looked and he was just stood there in the water, so that was really cool. We didn't think we'd get to see one.
Grabbed your arm, didn't they?
Yeah. So by the Dream Trail there's Lacey's Creek, which we've just arrived at. We're gonna go for a little swim here. It says you're allowed to swim. It looks really nice and refreshing. So after that long walk, we've decided to go to a cafe to get some lunch. So this is the Bingle Bay Cafe. It looks sick. Tommy's been there before. It's like 2:30.
You fluffy puppy.
I got the goodness bowl of halloumi. It looks amazing. Tommy got the calamari.
There's a lot of it too.
Let's eat. If you're in Mission Beach, you guys have to come here. It looks so nice. We're just watching the sunset on the beach. We just went for a little swim in the stingy net over there. It was really nice, and like the ocean was like bath water. It was so hot. And now we're eating grapes and cheese.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy.
We're back at the same little cafe. So cute for brunch. Tommy got the Avo smash. It looks amazing. And I had to get a smoothie bowl, didn't I? As always, I had to.
What about this cheese stuff? Oh, it's coconut.
It's coconut.
I really thought that was cheese.
Yeah.
I forgot what the mountain was called.
You can look it up. So we just went for brunch at that cafe that we was at yesterday. It's around 12 o'clock now, and it's the 1st of December today. It's Tuesday. It is our last day here in Mission Beach, and then tomorrow we're going down to Tully for some whitewater rafting, which is going to be really fun. And then we might actually camp down in Tully for the night. Today we were just chilling on the beach all morning, and now we're gonna go do a little hike or a walk to a lookout point. It's called, what was it?
Bicton Hill.
Bicton Hill. So there'll probably be lots of climbing and stuff. I had a smoothie bowl, it was really nice, but Tommy had the smashed avo
Feta.
veggie thing, and it was amazing. If you go there for breakfast, choose that. It had like mushrooms, the feta was so creamy.
Pumpkin.
Very, very good. We arrived, we are at the top of the lookout, and it's really nice. It's so sweaty because it's really humid, and it was just uphill all the way, but now all the way back down is downhill. And there's a little map of the islands. That's Dunk Island, which a lot of people go to. And then here we just have the ocean. So this whole trip, Tommy's been talking about that he's so happy we haven't seen a golden orb yet. And there's one hanging there. It's oh, sorry for language. It's really, really massive. And he's lost a feeling in his legs because he's so scared.
Yeah.
And trying not to faint. Oh my god, imagine if you would have walked straight into that.
I would have genuinely passed out.
You guys probably can't see it. Oh my god. This is something else. I want to see him from the other side. We're going to try and go under it.
Are you gonna, okay. Just because you're filming, this is going to be incredibly hard. I'm going to try not to swear.
It's okay if you swear.
Oh! There's such a big web. Oh god!
Shall I do it?
No,
first?
I got this.
Well done.
Did it move?
No. Oh god. Did it move?
No.
I am a wimp when it comes to spiders.
Oh, my legs. Oh, they're going.
We're doing a little lunch on the beach. We're gonna have some fruit. We've got pineapple and peach mango it's called, and we've got some banana, we've got some Greek yogurt, chia seeds, honey and some nuts. So yeah. We have a lunchbox and some wine, and we're just sat on the marina kind of thing. We're gonna watch the sunset and have some dinner. Good morning everybody. It is Wednesday, the 2nd of December. I can't believe it's already December. It is 7:15 and we're leaving at 7:30 to go to Tully, and we're gonna do the whitewater rafting today. I'm really excited. I'm also really nervous because like I'm really small and I feel like I'm definitely gonna fall out the boat. It's rated like a 3 out of 5 on like a dangerous scale or something, I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna try and bring my GoPro, try and film with that. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this camera here because it's definitely not waterproof. Yeah, you guys can come with us on that, but right now I'm just gonna go have breakfast still at the campsite.
No, I don't know what to do, Tommy. I don't know what to do. What do you do? Did it hit you?
So cold like I was before. Oh, I will find a way back from the rain and the storm.
Go on, jiggle. Yes, we're free.
Future painted in gold, and time ain't got no reason when. Show me the light to lead the way. I need some time to be okay.
We're in Tully, we're at this cafe. It's called Ripe Harvest Cafe. We survived the whitewater rafting. It actually wasn't very scary at all. We just did the whitewater rafting and it was a lot of fun. It was less scary than I thought just because the water levels were quite low. So it didn't go very fast. Me and Tommy kept getting stuck on every single rock. Hopefully I got some footage of that for you. And now we thought we'd try to see the Cuddle Spa pool. But it's literally not been raining like anything, so it's not looking very good. It looks like on this photo right now, I think, which is what I was worried about. But normally it's like really pretty with like lots of blue water. Right now it looks like this. This was meant to be Atty Falls. It looks like the water's flowing down there, but it's literally just stained white, maybe from the salt, I don't know. It would be a really cool place in wet season, I think.
A bit
stagnant. Yeah, that would be where the waterfall came down.
Look at all the engravings inside.
Oh my god, people have climbed up and like engraved stuff in the wall. That would be very dangerous. I really want to swim, but I don't want to swim in that. Yeah. We're at Eddie Bay. There's a cassowary just there.
A lot of cool drives up here.
I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm so glad you guys are enjoying this series of my travel videos. So in the next vlog we'll be making our way up to Cairns through the Tablelands, which is a beautiful part of Australia. It has lots of waterfalls and rainforest and it's just amazing. We go to the famous Mila Mila waterfall, which is where they filmed the Herbal Essence advert, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, there are lots of more exciting things coming up in the next few videos, which I'm so excited for you to see. So stay tuned for those, and don't forget to follow my socials if you haven't already, and obviously subscribe if you're not, because I'll be posting so much more travel content. And if you do have any other like video requests that you would like me to film, or me and Tommy, then just put them in the comments. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!